Before you can set up a WordPress site, you'll need a couple of things: a domain name and a web hosting account. Your domain name is the address people will use to visit your site. For example, yourblog.com. Your web host is where your site's files are stored and where we'll install WordPress in the next lecture. The simplest approach is to get your domain and web hosting package from the same company. If you don't, you'll just have to point your domain to your web server, and your host should give you instructions on how to do that. But again, if you're just getting started and want to keep everything simple, your best bet is to grab a domain right along with your hosting package. Now, I've used a number of web hosting companies over my career, and some are definitely better than others. My go-to recommendation these days is SiteGround. It's affordable, it's reliable, the customer service is really helpful, and it enables you to get a WordPress site up and running in just a couple of clicks. If you want to get started with SiteGround, I'm happy to share that there is a discount available for students of this course. All you have to do is go to siteground.com/go/BradM. I'll leave that on screen for just a second so you can make note of it, or open it in a new tab. siteground.com/go/BradM. So the page is going to look like this. You're going to see 3 different plans here: Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek. Which one of these is right for you? If you're just getting started and you only plan on building one website, the Startup plan should be more than enough. It supports one website and up to 10,000 visits per month. The Grow Big plan is a great value if you want to create multiple sites under a single account. It supports unlimited websites and up to 25,000 visits per month. The Go Geek plan is really powerful, but it's probably overkill if you're just getting started. It also supports unlimited websites, but here you can go up to 100,000 visits per month. If you're not sure which plan to choose, here's the way I think of it for somebody who's just getting started. If you only need one site, go with the Startup plan. If you need multiple sites, choose Grow Big. And don't worry, you can always upgrade later if you need to as your website grows. So go ahead and click Get Plan under whatever package you think is right for you. Then on the next page, you can go ahead and register a domain name for your website. Remember, this is where people will find your site on the web. For example, yoursite.com. Hopefully you used the naming and branding tips we talked about earlier to come up with a good name that's still available, and you can enter that here. After that, you'll enter your billing details and finish up the account creation process. Should only take another minute or two. And then after that, you can proceed to the next lecture where you'll see exactly how to set up a WordPress site and get your blog up and running in less than 5 minutes. So that's how you get set up with SiteGround. Now, of course, you don't have to use SiteGround. I just wanted to provide an easy recommendation based on my experience to hopefully save you some time, but you can feel free to do your own research. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and take the first step. Get yourself a web hosting package and a domain name, and in the next lecture, we'll begin the process of setting up your new WordPress site.